If you've read any of my blogs, you know that I like to post often, and I've been trying to build a little bit of a system so I can post more often. Before I dive into that, let me introduce my beautiful girlfriend, Darina Pagodina. She has not learned anything about crypto yet, and I'll be honest, I am a real estate investor. I am still learning the crypto cycle myself, but I've been blogging for a very long time. So this is what I've decided. In order to be more consistent, I want to show you some tricks on what I've been doing. So let me share my screen. First, I don't like blogging anywhere on a site, whether it's WordPress, Leo Finance. I make sure that I blog on Windows Word first. So first, let me log into Leo. This is where I start off. I go over to my profile, check on my last post, always seeing who's liking. I like to go see who my big voters are. You can see I got Leo Shine, Scaredy Cat, Roland Thomas. Shout out, brothers. Then we got Shubes, we got B Healy. Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate you and the Leo you send. Thank you very much. And then I go over and I check the dollar amount there. Okay, USD is nice, but I want that Leo. Give me more Leo, Leo to the moon. Hit the edit button. Now there's two things that are really important. You got to make sure you get your title in there. Otherwise, it will not let you go forward. And then you put in some sweet stuff. So I like to go to Word, and I already write out my article on Word. But for Leo, you want to make sure that you get the hashes in here so that it bumps up. So you can put in your details, you put in all your words, bold it, make it look the way you want it to look in Word. But just know that when you pull it over to Leo, this will not convert with it. So what you do is you put the hashes in there to get those big headers. 3 hashes I like for these. If you're doing smaller subs, then you're going to want the 4 hash. And if you're like crazy, like really big text, like big header, you go 2 hashes or 1 hash. In fact, because this one is bigger, I'll give you an example of what that looks like. And then for these, I'm actually going to drop this down and get rid of this here. I'll get rid of the number. I'm going to go 4 hashes on that. I'm going to get rid of the number there. Same with this one. I'm going to get rid of the number. I like it for my other blog. WordPress is a little bit better for formatting, but Leo does not like those numbers. It doesn't convert well. So I'm just make sure that I'm set for Leo. And if you blog on WordPress, this is a great strategy for you as well. It works perfectly. So you just copy. So I write my blogs in Word, then I pull them over to Leo Finance, and you see we've got right here that the bigger bold, then the smaller, and this is my 3 hashes. This is what I like to see. Again, it doesn't always pull everything over properly, so you come back in, and I like to throw in the spaces. Just a little separation when we're doing stuff. I check it over here. I don't like the way it's all bunched up, so I'll hit the enter, and it starts looking like a real article. And same with here. I want to make sure I'm getting that space in there. Otherwise, if you put things too bunched up together, people don't read it. I like things separated, and I know that other readers are the same way. Broken up sentences, we can bite size, like we can actually get through it. But when it's all bunched together, it's like intimidating. So just make sure that you got those little spots separated out. You could put a little call to action at the bottom. Like if you're monetizing your channel, which you should be, I like to toss in learn more at alchemistnation.com. That's my blog. Get access. Let me see. I'll do another link here. Get access to my 52 weeks to wealth training live every Saturday at 10 a.m. EST. And I'll just throw that link in there as well. That's www.walter. I will do Alchemist Nation. alchemistnation.com/live. Now this is looking good. The problem is Leo right now, this is temporary. Leo right now is not letting us put in our images, but normally I just go over to Canva create a sweet image from Canva from something I saved earlier. Maybe I'll just create a new design. So create new design. I like the blog banner. Then you can just grab one of the cool designs they have in here, like this one. This looks perfect. Grab a text, throw in a text that says, how to blog faster on Leo Finance. Pull it out, make it look cool. You can throw all sorts of designs in there, like level up. And then you can change those colors to something that fits your brand a little better. Whatever works for you. All right, how to blog faster on Leo Finance. Boom, I like a little font, a little effect on that because I'm against a darker background. So I want this to pop just a little bit more. Perfect. And then if you got a logo, which you should, upload your logo. Boom. Scroll down the size. Bring this, undo. Bring it to undo. All right, do it right the first time. How do we move this? Come on. There you go. Oh, you son of a bitch.
Make it smaller.
There we go. Let's move it to a sweet spot like that. There you go. You know, boom. I like that. I like that. I like that. Perfect. Then hit the download button. PNG is the right way to go. PNG is a much better quality, so it'll scale better on the website. And we'll see if it'll load, but I think that Leo's still having an issue with uploading images. If this doesn't upload, I'll toss in a video later. Yeah, it's going to give me that error down here. That's fine. So another thing I do, and I believe everybody should do this, at some point, find somebody you like and start sending them some coin. So I add my benefactors, Leo Shine. These guys vote on everything that I post. And so I like to throw them some love. And then we'll put in Scaredy Cat Guide. And you know what? I'm going to adjust this a little bit because Roland, I just noticed Roland sent me some love. So I'm going to go with Roland Thomas. I'll throw him 10%. I'll throw Leo Shine another 10%. And I'm going to throw in Scare the Cat Guide another 10%. I'm okay with paying it forward because it's going to get you more likes, it's going to get you more votes. So you're really just making an investment in your future anyway. So add benefactors to your posts. Let them know that you're making them a benefactor because people don't always pay attention to the curation. So you got to let them know what to say. So I missed my title. All right, so I like this. Boom, how to blog faster on Leo Finance. .io. And then hit publish. The schedule button works sometimes, doesn't work all the time. So I just hit publish. This will go out. If the image, and always automatically tweet, helps the channel, brings people in. We want to promote Leo Finance. Beneficiaries must be specified, sorted order, account ascending. So that's probably because I put Roland in the wrong order. So let's go back and make sure that this thing did go out. If it didn't go out, we'll redo it. Sometimes that's an issue with this site. So yeah, it probably didn't go out. And see, this is why you always do it in WordPress. So you don't run into, see how it's deleted? I made a mistake, it's gone. Yeah, it's not here. Didn't go out because I had that error. Perfect. So if you ever run into this, boom, nice and simple. Fortunately, you saved it on WordPress, Windows. I should have spaced it. No, I can't space it, so it doesn't Doesn't matter. You just do the same thing. Spaces. Hit it. Boom. Boom. Yeah, it's crazy. It's always when you go to do a video that something goes wrong. Fortunately, it's fast because I already saved it. It's cool that I ran into that issue, right? Because that's something that happens all the time. And if you're not operating out of a different profile, different app, you run into that issue. All right, so nope. What did I call it? How to blog faster on Leo Finance. Copy. Bring it back over. .io. Since I know the image doesn't work, I'll just drop this video into this in a few minutes once I get it onto YouTube. I'll do the benefactors again. You got a question?
Call for actions.
I'll add the call to actions in later. I just want to get this video out. Good point, Alchemist. Nation. I like my own personal tags. Advanced. Benefactors, they got to be in order. So Leo, LMN. How's the alphabet go? What order is S and R? Which one comes first?
S R first.
R first. All right. So Leo Shine. 10.
I think.
LMNOPQRS. You're right. R first. Roland Thomas. 10. Hooking Roland up. S is Scaredy Cat. Scaredy Cat Guide. He's going to get the 10. Hook it up. I think it's okay to give 30% away. So sometimes you adjust. But it's okay to give 30% away. Hook people up. Hit the publish button. And we'll see if it works this time. Boom. There it goes. That worked. So that'll show up on the profile. I'll download this video. I'll post it to the article. And that will be the main picture at the top. Cheers to your success. When you have a choice, always work with the best. And since you watched the video, go to alchemistnation.com and check out all the other free resources I got out there. Let's blow this channel up. Leo Finance to the moon. What'd you think? You got something out of that?
I'm signing up.
Sign it up. She's going to get that Leo. She wants that rap Leo, that Cub coin. Gonna be yield farming soon. Take it to the top.